We're gonna do a basic stage makeup for darker skin, and so we're gonna start with the foundation. So you're just blending that in all the way around, forehead, under eye, under the nose. Thank you. Okay, so then we're going to use an under eye concealer, and that's just going to brighten underneath the eye a little bit. Although she has pretty great skin already. Just blend underneath. We're going to put the powder over the whole thing to just kind of set that all in and get rid of any shine you have. Next, now we're going to do the eyeshadow. So you want to use kind of a purple plum color in the crease of the eye. So we're gonna put it right in there to give it some contour. And you want it to go out about to where her eyebrow is. Okay, so open. So we have a little bit of shading, and then close, and we're going to put a gold color for the highlight underneath. And then open. Perfect. And then we're going to do the same on above that purple, just to give a little bit of highlight all the way to the brow to kind of extend. Great. Now we're going to take a dark brown, almost a charcoal color, and go just above that purple, just to give a little extra. So you really have 4 layers in there. Okay. So now you also want to make sure you've got an eyebrow pencil that extends the eyebrow a little bit beyond the eye to elongate the eye. And you want to make sure you have a little bit on the outside there. Okay, so that's one side. Now we're going to just do the black eyeliner. You want to use a black waterproof eyeliner, and you're going to go all the way across the lid of the eye. And you want to do this after the eyeshadow so it's visible. And you're going to extend that a little past the eye to elongate. And then up, look up, Miss Cecilia. We're going to do a little bit underneath the eye, right in the middle, all the way out. So we've got two lines. Perfect. Okay, so then you would do your waterproof black mascara or your fake false eyelashes. So you can either put those on, or if it's a smaller theater, you would just do and you go ahead and blink and just do a black mascara. So that's kind of the completed eye on one side. And then you would take your more of a raspberry or burgundy color blush, and we're going to go at the apple of the cheek all the way up to the top of her hairline, just to give a little bit of contour. I like to do a little bit on the forehead too. Okay, then I'm going to let you put your own lipstick up.